Hi everyone, welcome to Guitar Drill, and in this lesson we'll be learning about bar chords. Okay, so let's go for it. So basically there are two types of bar chords based on the 6th string and bar chords based on the 5th string. Okay, so let's understand first the bar chords based on the 6th string. So before understanding the 6th string bar chords, we must know the notes on the 6th string. That is, we must know that this is the E note. Okay, that open 6th string is E note, and after that if we move to the first fret of the 6th string, we must know which note is this. It is the F note, because if we move half step from E to next note, that next note will be F note, and then half note from F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and so on. Okay, so suppose if we want to hold the G major chord in bar chords, 6th string bar chords. Okay, so what we'll do, first we'll figure out the G note on the 6th string. So how will we calculate that? Suppose this is the E, then F, then F sharp, and then G. Okay, so we wanted to hold the G major bar chord on 6 strings. So once we have calculated the G note, then we'll place a bar. Bar means we'll be using our index finger and we'll press at that fret where we have found the G note, which is the 3rd fret. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we'll press all the 6th string, and then we will add the 3rd finger on the 5th string, 5th fret, and then we will add pinky finger on the 4th string, 5th fret. Okay, and then we'll be adding the 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. Okay, so let me repeat. First we place the index finger on the all 6 strings of the 3rd fret, then 3rd finger on the 5th string, 5th fret, 4th finger on the 4th string, 5th fret, and then 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. That becomes our G major chord. Okay, G, why G? Because this was the G note, this one. Okay, so this is the G major chord, and our wrist should be downwards like this. It shouldn't be like this, it should be like this. Okay, like this, as you can see here. This should be the position, and then we'll try to give 4 downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you are just starting out, so this sound should be like, so don't bother much about that. Just give 4 downstrokes, lift all the fingers, regain the strength, and try to come back again. 2, 3, 4. Sound might not be clear for the initial days, but it will eventually become clear. So this is the G major bar chord on the 6th string. And suppose if we want to play the G minor bar chords on the 6th string, simply we have to remove the 2nd finger from this G major shape. So if we remove this 2nd finger, this becomes our G minor bar chord based on the 6th string. Okay, so once you learn the shape, this becomes very easy. So this is G major with the added 2nd finger. Remove the fingers, come back. Without the 2nd finger, we hold G minor. Okay, let's try to find the A major bar chords on the 6th string. So first we'll find the A note on the 6th string. E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and then A. This is our A note. So second step was, we'll add the index finger, then 3rd finger on the 7th fret, 5th string, 4th finger right below that. Okay, and then we'll add the 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 6th fret. This is the shape, this is the movable shape. Okay, so this becomes our A major chord. And if you want to play G sharp, you have to just come back. This becomes G sharp major, this becomes G major, this becomes F sharp major, this becomes F major. Okay, so F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and so on. This was the major shape, and without the second finger, this becomes our minor shape. F minor, F sharp minor, G minor, G sharp minor, A minor, and so on. Okay, so these are the two shapes of chords based on the sixth string, major chords and minor chords. Okay, the shape is very simple. With the second finger, major shape; without the second finger, that is the minor shape. Okay, now look at the chord shapes of the fifth string bar chords. Okay, so for this we need to know the notes on the fifth string. So as we know that fifth string note is E, B, G, D, A. So this note is A note, and if we move to first fret, this becomes A sharp, then B, then C, then C sharp, then D, D sharp, E, and so on. Okay, suppose we want to play C minor in the fifth string bar chords. Okay, what we'll do is we'll first figure out the C note as we did in the sixth string bar chords. So this time we'll be looking for the C note on the fifth string. So this was A sharp, B, C. We have found the C note, and then we'll place the bar with the index finger as we did earlier. Now the shape is a little different. We'll be adding second finger onto the second string fourth fret here, second string fourth fret, and then we'll add the third finger on the fourth string fifth fret and fourth finger on the third string fifth fret. Okay, this becomes our C minor shape of the fifth string bar chord. So ideally we play only the bottom 5 strings. Okay, so then take a gap, hold again, C minor, okay. So this is also a movable shape. That means if this is C minor, if we move it one fret ahead, the whole shape, this becomes C sharp minor. If we move it one fret ahead, this becomes D minor, D sharp minor, E minor, and so on. Okay, so this was the shape C minor. Now let's look at the major chord shape of this 5 string bar chords. So suppose if we want to play the C major bar chord in the fifth string bar chord shape, it will be like this. First we'll place the index finger on this third fret because here is our C note, and then we'll be just using one finger, that is the third finger, and we'll be pressing the second string, third string, and fourth string on this fifth fret like this. So we have to place the third finger a little like this. Okay, because the third finger should not touch the first string. This string it shouldn't touch. Okay, so first we place the bar, and then with the third finger we pressed on the second string, third string, and fourth string like this. This might take some time for you to be familiar with it. So this is the C major bar chord. Take a break, come back to it. Okay, you can also play it like this as well. So what we are doing is we are holding it like this. Okay, second finger on fourth, third finger on third string, and fourth finger on second string, and here the bar is the same. So this is C major bar chord shape. This becomes C sharp, or like this. So we can play the C major chord like this or like this, okay? Both are the same thing, just the fingers we are using are different. So this becomes C major, this becomes C sharp, D, and so on. And before C it was B and it was A sharp. Okay, so till now we have learned 4 shapes, 2 shapes of the 6th string bar chords and 2 shapes of the 5th string bar chords. So that's it for today, and bar chords may take some time, so be patient with that. And in the next lesson we'll practice some bar chords, some different progressions, combining the major chords, minor chords of each of the shapes, that is 5th string and 6th string. Till then, keep practicing. Bye. See you in the next lesson.